Automatic carpet cleaner installation guide. Equipment display before installation. Start installation. Fix foam tank. Install water blocking board and carpet holder. Connect pipes and cables. Connect water tap. Self-provided and air tube. Connect one end to air compressor, another end to machine. The other end is connected to the machine. Fill in foam EL, then fill water in and make tank full. Self-provided and electric plug. Connect electricity power and start machine.